Happy Monday, everyone. It is April the 13th, 2020, and I am Pamela Mitchell, a local realtor here in San Diego County, and I am here with an off-market listing open house update. This week, we have open house happening on this Wednesday, the 15th, at 15625 Caldas del Reyes, and that's 92128 zip code. The open house is from 10 to 2. There's also an open house, that same property, on Sunday from 1 to 3. And this home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, and it is a little bit over 1,700 square feet. It is available now. It is for sale by owner. That's why she can have open houses. And so this, come out and check out the open house, and then if you know anybody that's looking in that area, go ahead and give me a call. The asking price for this one is $653,217. So that is the asking price right now. If you have any questions about that or any other property you might see, anything in your area that you might be having questions of, please let me know, because I am here for that. Love to talk to you. Comment below. Talk to you guys later. Bye.